Stormworms Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S24 for Cricket Wireless. So the Galaxy S24 is here. Cricket Wireless got released back in February. So yeah, the Galaxy S24 is available in the Onyx black color, and that's the color option that Cricket offers. $4.99. That is for porting your number of the Cricket. So pretty cool. And it's $5.99.99 if you need a new number, and that's for new customers. And then if you're an existing customer, it's $4.99, $5.99, $649.99. If you're upgrading, if you're a current customer but you're upgrading to the sign, it's $649.99. Alright, so yeah, alright. So there is the firmware there. You guys have your whole bunch there for your front-facing camera, earpiece, above that, power and bank case on the right side of the phone. Left side of the phone is nothing. Back of the phone, triple camera system, camouflage Samsung logo. You can also pay monthly for it as well. $32 a month with a firm. So if you guys want to pay monthly for it, you can do that as well. So here the Galaxy S24 has a 6.2-inch display, 58 megapixel main camera, 128 GB of storage. It says powered with Galaxy AI. Samsung Galaxy S24 adapts to your passions and behaviors to make a new level of achievement possible. Use a photo to find a new recipe with Circle to search by Google. Then capture low light pics of your creation. Do more easily epic, just like that. Features: your experience uninterrupted. Circle to search. You need to articulate what you're looking for. Get the info you want instantly just by circling the object on your phone screen. Your creativity unlimited. Photo assist, AI editing. Generative AI based optimal editing suggestions including removing objects, reflections, and remastering. Alright, so pretty cool AI features there. So the Galaxy AI is definitely worth checking out if you guys are interested in the AI stuff. So check that out. Our most powerful Galaxy smartphone yet. Jump seamlessly between apps without the wait and see content and high quality with our fastest processor yet. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. Specs: it runs Android 14, One UI 6.1, up to 128 GB of storage. Dimensions: 5.78 inches height, 2.77 inches width, and 0.29 inches depth. It has a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display, flat display, adaptive vision booster, 120Hz refresh rate, so pretty cool there. Connectivity options: you have Wi-Fi 802.11, ABGN, ACAX, and Wi-Fi 6E as well. Mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi calling, Type-C charging, Bluetooth 5.3. You have a 50 megapixel main camera, which is a wide angle camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, then a 10 megapixel telephoto camera lens on the back with flash, 12 megapixel front facing camera, 4000 mAh battery, octa-core chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, physical nano SIM card. I think you can get eSIM option as well. This says physical card here, the SIM type, but you might be able to get eSIM option on Cricket. I think Cricket does offer eSIM. I think they do. I could be wrong about that. Let me know in the comments below if Cricket offers eSIM. I think they do, though. It's just not listed here on the Galaxy S24, but you can get it in eSIM or a physical SIM card. So it also has hair and neck compatibility as well, so that's very good. So it looks like that is it there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S24 is Cricket Wireless. So if you guys are looking to get a flagship smartphone and you guys like the design of the Galaxy S24, it looks like any other recent Galaxy flagship smartphone. So if you guys like the design of that, the Galaxy S24 is worth checking out here. So if you're a new customer putting the number over, you can get it. You can get it for $500, so definitely worth checking out. And yeah, so it's pretty cool. So checking on that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.